Hey guys, welcome back to Non-Stop Posting, or our challenge with Nikki. And by the way, we have not moved. We've been we haven't moved. Don't hate. We are transferring my data to Nikki's phone.
Did you get to do that?
Yeah.
No, yes, okay.
Okay, good.
We have restarted this whole entire stupid poopy thing.
Don't worry.
Only for YouTube. Only for you guys.
Yeah, only for you guys. So, if you guys would like to see more Battle Cats, well,
hit the subscribe button and like this video.
And by the way, if you like Battle Cats and funny, acting and roleplay, go check out Ice Cupcake's Battle Cats. It's so funny. She has a part so funny. So guys, if we mention any YouTubers that we like, we'll just say subscribe to them as well. Which we like Ice Cupcake and
Slam.
Kokora!
Korea.
I was thinking of Kokora from a game.
Attack the enemy base! I will talk here about cats. Stop is like I'm about cats. You need money, not real.
Waiting is so slow.
Waiting.
There's a cat there's a dog right there.
Produce.
Hashtag pro steals. It's literally, there's a cat right there. Dog. There's a dog right there. So hashtag pro skills. I got them from Popular MMOs. Go subscribe to them. And game mode.
Do you even lift, bro?
Oh yeah, that was a quote from Popular MMOs. Is 1 million and 2 million subscribers.
Do you even lift, bro?
Literally.
No, I don't.
Do you even lift, bro? If you want to see a question and answer, go comment it. But it will be on Casey Jackson Loves Kittens, which is my other channel. It's not really
a 1 subscriber special. A 10 subscriber special.
No, how about a 100 subscriber special? If we ever reach 100 subscribers, they'll make a 100 subscriber special. That'll be awesome.
So hit the subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. Not the bottom of the screen. If you're on, well,
LOL. Okay, so if you're
guys, stupid faces.
If you're on if you are on tablets, exit from full screen and then click the subscribe button right over here.
And it will be like, no,
right over here. But if you're on a computer, just hit the subscribe button. Just pound the subscribe button. Kill the subscribe button. Actually, don't kill it. Don't kill it. Don't. Hashtag love for the subscribe button.
Why did you want to say
Hashtags are fun.
Don't use it.
I can't.
Hashtag poop on Casey.
No, dude, poop on Nikki.
No, hashtag poop on Casey.
Hashtag poop on Nikki. Leave a comment if you have a suggestion for a game you want us to play in the future.
And please subscribe!
I have my headphones.
For no reason.
And I have a Nikki.
For no reason.
Her name is Nikki.
Her name is Poopy.
Hashtag
Casey just got a Zoomer. Meow meow.
I know. If you like Zoomer cats, go check out my other channel. We won!
Yay! My turn.
Give me Zoomer Kitty. She loves me.
Let's try this. Okay. We've seen treasure. The item shop is open. You can buy many useful items. Use in battle here.
No spending cat food.
We have 0.
No, we don't. We have 30. Shake your tail, shake your tail, shake your tail.
So,
You got a golden ticket.
Let's go open it and see what it is.
We can't. We gotta wait till we complete Japan. We might do Japan off camera.
No, I'm doing it right now.
No? Japan? It's gonna be off camera. Just go start. Save up our XP.
Get off of me, stupid. Mongolia.
So guys, we're gonna do like 1 or 2 battles. But if you like the Battle Cats, hit the like button and then we'll do
And then subscribe to this channel. Come on, buddy.
Super Kitty.
You got Luna Kitty.
I'm gonna move now. And I have some cats to grab. You know cats?
Meow meows.
No, do you know their names?
Yes.
Who?
Yeah. Pooty, pooty, pooty. There's a snake. They got a new person.
Guess what cats I'm gonna grab?
What?
Lindy and Dottie. Hashtag love these two.
Okay, get them out of my face.
Hashtag got real face.
Stop doing stupid hashtags.
They're just playing around. They love each other.
Pooty, pooty, pooty,
They still love playing with each other.
Pooty, pooty. Oh my goodness. No.
Actually, we're going to turn the face cam off after this one. But actually, no, we're not. But if you don't like the face cam, please leave a comment and then we'll turn it off.
I think people like the face cam.
So guys, don't hate. I've got a cat. Her name is
PETA.
I've got a cat. Her name is Dottie.
It's not a real cat.
I've got a cat. Her name is Kitty. Hey, if you go check out Popular on the Most Things' intro piece of paper, it's a really funny video that some guy edited with all of Pat's vlogs. So funny. Do you even live pro? A piece of paper?
I have a piece of paper. Okay, be quiet.
Be quiet. You got a piece of paper?
Come on. Die, stupid puppies.
You got a piece of paper?
Die, stupid puppies.
Is this same close from Popular on the Most?
Do you even lift, bro?
Do you even lift, bro?
Yes, I do, because I'm lifting this phone. Give me back my phone.
Hello, is this thing all white?
Shut up. Do you even lift, bro? Yes, I do, because I'm lifting this phone.
I'm lifting 2 heavy cats.
Oh, you're not.
I'm lifting. Woohoo! I'm lifting weights. This is fun. Yeah. They love it. If you like cats, like the video.
And subscribe.
Because that's basically our channel. We're basically kittens, since we have so many cats and we love cats. And we love gaming. And so do our cats. These two love the gaming the most.
I love gaming more. No, I do. Please tell me you'll do a draw my life.
We can cat in the veil pretty soon. If it gets to 10 minutes, we're going to have to end.
Gotta finish this thing first.
Okay, guys, we're going to try to finish this fight. I'm just clicking it for Nikki since she's not even looking down there. Its name is Kitty.
Pooty. Poo.
I love you, Nikki.
Okay. No,
I want to sleep with Mommy. She was saying that all last night. I want to sleep with Mommy. I want to sleep with Mommy. I want to sleep with Mommy.
Don't do that.
Oh, yeah, Lindy sleeper. 2 sleepers, actually. Dottie and Lindy. I'm just gonna get these cats.
It's battles.
Okay, guys, we're gonna have to end this very soon once this battle's over. So, guys, if you want like Battle Cats, like this video
And subscribe.
we're about to win.
Why did you fire? Why did you fire? When you weren't supposed to.
I'm gonna check something real quick. Okay, we're almost done. Sorry, I moved the face cam. There.
I don't know how much money I have. Stop it!
We win.
Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice time.
See ya.
Like and
See
subscribe.
ya.